Today guys, we're going to look at the old railway bridge of Attard, built 1982, and it's been restored, 500,000. Let's go and have a look. We're going to walk right along the embankment.
This is my island in the sun.
Hi guys, Englishman here. We're on our way to the only remaining embankment in Malta, the old railway road this is. It goes towards a bridge from Attard. They recently refurbished it. There's an embankment you can walk along of the Heritage Trail. This is goes all the way to Bricacara, to Valletta, on the way to Mtafa. This was the old railway line here. Railway Road it's called. It's a straight road all the way to Bricacara. We're going to have to cross this road here. As it approaches the garden station, it's called, St Anton Gardens, it starts going up an embankment. Recently they've refurbed it. They can't do anything with the old bridge, because I'll show you a photograph, an old metal bridge it was. There's still some old photographs about it. We're having to cross this busy road. Over there is Corinthian Palace Hotel of Balzan. This is the Rabat Road. Up the top here. This goes down to Balzan and Attard. We're going to cross quickly before we get run over. This is the embankment here. Let me show you. This is what they spent £500,000 on, restoring the embankment. That's how it used to look before, and they did a bit of work to it here. It's part of the Heritage Trail, so you can actually walk it. And no, I'm not sure when it gets to the bridge what they're going to do, because the other day I went past it and it's still there, so I don't know if they're going to make a footbridge over it. There's some nice trees here. It's not a very easy walk because it's a lot of these small stones. So I don't know if the idea is to walk on here or walk in the bottom, but we're going to walk on here anyway to look at the bridge. There was a metal bridge, as I say, just a bit further on over this small road. I'll go drop down and show it you. This is not easy going at all. I don't think you're intended to walk along here. Corinthian Palace is just here. And there's the open top bus just going past. Those are great guys. You should go on one of those if you're in Malta. There's north and south route. Well, this is hard going here. Let's go a bit closer and I'll show you. A lot of nice houses around here though. Oh, it's a decent walk here. We're right on top of the embankment here, where the train used to run along. There's the road down the bottom here. Oh, it's a nice golf course. This is all part of the Corinthian, I think. Corinthian is just at the back here, so you can see what they've been doing here. They're replacing the bricks. Most of it was crumbling, but you can see like still a lot of Maltese limestone. Here's one of the doorways that used to go under the train. Let me show you this. This is the actual doorway that used to go under the train. There's a couple of these along the way. There was a few embankments along the way. This is the only one that's left. This is in Attard now. We came from Balzan to Attard, and it's going to Attard station. He called it the Garden Station. We're going to visit that. There's supposed to be a visitors centre. I don't know if they've got that far yet. I heard that they were storing it about 2 months, 3 months ago, and I saw some work going on. Here's another doorway here. This used to go under the railway. So we walked on the top there, all the way to the bridge. They put some chutes there to get the water out. I bet those people are not very happy if this is going to be the Heritage Trail. I'm not sure if you're supposed to be on the top there. I walked it anyway, but maybe this is part of the Heritage Trail. Then you go all the way to the garden, that was the station, but it's a play area now. It's into the sort of kids' play area. And then it carried on up to Attard. Here we were on the top here. And there used to be a metal bridge. I'll show you from the other side. I've got a very old picture. I'll stand in exactly the same position, and you'll see the difference. It is massive difference. There was actually structures in the middle. Let me get across. It was about here, I think, the picture. About in this area. Yeah, about here. And then now I'll clip the old picture in and show you. We just walked up that road here. That goes all the way down to Corinthian Palace and the St Anton Gardens, down to Bricacara. Let's go up the top here and have a look. Okay, we're at the other side of the bridge. Here's where the bridge was, crossing over. And we walked all the way down this road here. Let's walk this way. Lots of new developments here. In the old days there were nothing on either side. Already it's started growing here. I think the door hasn't been opened yet, if they're going to open the door. The garden is just ahead of us here. I think we have to go up and we go around. Maybe they didn't open anything. I thought they were going to open a doorway here, but so we'll go on the other side and show you. The garden is on the other side there. There's nothing open here. No. What we'll do is go around and we'll have a look. They did some piping here, I don't know what it's all about. Okay, let's go around the garden. That was the old station. It's like a play area, as I said. Let's go and have a look at that. This is the station, the garden station. The train used to continue on up there, straight to on the way to Ali, and then used to go into that gorgeous tunnel under to Mdina. So this was the station. We'll show you where. It's got the theme of like trains, sort of. The train used to pull in here from this wall. That wall we walked on the. It was quite a sharp bend here, though. It's a bit unusual, that. To pull, unless it's sort of bent, it's a little bit round. That's where we were on the other side of this fencing here. I think it was about here. Was that the garden? Somewhere here. That's somebody's house here, so maybe it just bent this direction. Then this is the station here. And then it continued. There's another station a bit further on. I think that was just like a temporary station. I'm not sure. You have to go over to Railway Enthusiasts. You'll see them on Facebook. They do a lot of things. Wasn't that tunnel fantastic? Go back and have a look at that tunnel. We went under the tunnel of Floriana, particularly where the station, you've got Valletta, then it goes into Floriana, Bricacara, then it comes over here. It's got something here. What's this thing? (1994). This garden was done, but about 3 or 4 months ago they did that embankment, they call it, but then it was a tunnel, like an embankment and then the tunnel. Then the train obviously continued out there. This is a really beautiful villa that was on the other side, and nobody wanted to touch this villa. It was really, I don't know, way back. I don't know if I can find a picture of it, but there was so much work on it. And then finally they given planning permission to restore the villa, and they built this big home next to it. Old people's homes going up everywhere in Malta. I'll have somewhere to stay, won't I? Shall we leave it here, guys? I walked all the way there, just a short one. Weather's been atrocious, and I had this bug, so I didn't feel like much to go out. There's not much information here. I think it was about here around here came this thing. Yeah. Oh yeah, maybe it come up from here. I can't get up to it. Look. You probably can see better than me. Let's put it up a bit. Yeah, it was around here. This is somebody's house, I think. We walked along that piece of where is it? Oh yeah, there it is, down there. Oh, it's a lot lower, so I don't know. There's no plans about this. I was looking about it. That's a lot lower there, so either they brought it up here, the train, or it stayed there somehow. Maybe turned this direction. Be interesting anyway, guys. Thanks a lot. Short video. Hope you're enjoying it. Go and look at my London videos, please. We need views. YouTube, if they see the videos going down, they slate you like crazy. Seems nobody likes London. Let's get into the shade. Anyway, guys, ring the bell. If it's your first time, subscribe. Plenty of videos of Malta coming up. I've got a lot planned once this flu bug goes. Some of them I couldn't speak very good. It was like, you know, when you start talking and you feel that cough coming, how can you make a video like that? Anyway, subscribe, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Plenty of views. Go over and look at my London videos, please. Give me a few views over there. They're only around 200 and the Maltese get about 1,000 now, so thanks for viewing this anyway. See you soon. Coming up soon. Try and do 2 a week if I can. I'm not sure about this week, but let's try. See you guys. Thank you. Englishman in Malta. Hey guys, look what I found behind the trees here. Let's see if I can get to... I know this was the station. There's something here. I was looking attendant. Maybe it's the station. Oh yeah, look, attendant. Oh, gents and toilets. Oh, maybe not. I thought it was the old station. It's toilets.
Englishman from Malta, and I will show you all the signs. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.